Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, for Everything Toy Unboxings, we're gonna unbox two of these mystery bag yummy keycaps. So this is the front of the pouch. It's not very big, but these are only a few that you can get. On the back here, it says, "Make your keys yummy. Which one will you get?" And this was $3.95 at Barnes & Noble. So out of all the things we can get, there are 3 cupcakes up here. There are 3 cupcakes. There's a pancake, 2 cakes of strawberry, eggs, soda. That looks like an M&M cookie. That looks like a chocolate chip cookie. That looks like maybe a bitten donut, and those are 3 not eaten donuts. And I did get 2 of these today. That's what we're gonna be opening in this video. So let's get to the first one. Okay, so it has a little tear tab up here. Tear it open. Oh, which one did we get? Oh, is this a cookie? Oh no, wait, I don't know, what is this? These are really cool. They're by Kidrobot, right? Yes, Kidrobot. See, that's the back. And this is obviously where a key will go into. I'm gonna get a key at the end of the video and try these 2 out. And it has this cool little keychain up here. And now let's check to the back to see which one this is. Which one is this? Oh, it's this one. I'm not really sure what this is. I think it might be a donut or a cookie. But these are really cool. It has a lot of detail, if you can see that close. Come on, focus a little more. It looks like it should go this way, but I think it actually may go this way, because that's the slot. And then it's got those eyes, and that little dotted line that looks kind of like a mouth, and the sprinkles. Alright, that's a cool one. Let's go to the next one. Alright, let's tear it open. Oh, cool. We got the soda. Oh, I really like this one. This one has a lot of detail. Again, we got the key slot down here by Kidrobot, and it has the same name on the back. And, oh, I don't think this is soda. Maybe this is coffee. That's really cool. I really like this one, and I'm pretty sure that it is supposed to be the mouth. And I like the design, that white line design. I really like this one. This is cool. Alright, let me go get a key so we can try these out. Okay, so now we have our 2 toppers and the key. So I'm just going to put this key in here. Let's do the coffee soda first. So it just slides in, I'm guessing. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Oh no, I'm not. Oh wait, I think I got it stuck. I think you may have to take this out. Yeah. Take this off and then put the key on and the ring of the key. Oh, this is cool. And if you can see, this is a different key. See that little hole up there? I just put that hole in there. It's kind of poofing this out a little bit, but and then we get this back. Oh, if I can pick it up. Okay. And then we'll put this back on. I really hope this works, because this is really cool. Yep, that's how you're supposed to do it. That is really cool. That's such a good idea. And then you have this like grip type thing up here too. Okay, I really like these. I'm not gonna do this one because I only have 1 key that I want to use. So, okay, I really like these because they have a really interesting use. They take a little bit of work because you have to take this apart and then put it back on, but if you feel like you're pushing this in, you're gonna break it, you're probably not gonna break it. That's what I've learned. But I do really like these, and I probably have to say that this one is my favorite, although I really like this one too. So thank you so much for watching this. Comment which one of these yummy keycaps you like better. The soda coffee one, or this cookie / donut. I'm sorry, I don't really know what this one is. There's no like name for them. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Sunday. Bye! Did I fool you? The video's not over yet. I just ran upstairs to get a new battery for my camera, and when I came down, this was punctured through the rubber. If you know anything about these, can you comment below how I'm supposed to do this? Because I can't seem to find any directions on here how to put them together. So, thanks for watching. Again, goodbye.